Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, in general we have discussed the daily setup, daily picture yesterday. As you can see, it doesn't need any significant adjustment, so market has broken through significant support area that was here around 110. That was our former destination of the analysis that we have made 2 weeks ago. So that was the conference support and monthly pivot point. Market finally, closer to the end of the month, has tested the May pivot, and right now it has broken through it. We do not see any fast return back above this area, and market stably stands below this area. It means that this breakout was real and serious, and from that standpoint we could count on a further downward continuation. As we said, our next destination point will be an area between major fib support 10840 area and monthly pivot support 1. Maybe market even will get there within the current week till the end of the week. The major topic that right now discusses among the traders, this is the possible default or non default of the Greece debt. So that's very important for a euro currency in the short-term perspective. And of course, everybody will take a look at the United States statistics, because right now, as the Yellen has said, that the rate hiking is likely in the current year, but that will depend on mostly on statistics that the economy will show. So on the daily chart, our analysis stands the same. We expect to reaching that area, but on the intraday charts we could get some short-term setup, scalp trading setup. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that market is turning to the upside but hasn't quite reached the destination point of this ABCD pattern. This is mostly the reaction on the weekly pivot support 1. So you can see this market just respects the weekly pivot support 1, but the target is 108 even hasn't been tested yet. It means with a high probability that market, before any significant retracement will happen or some other action on market will continue to dropping lower. Anyway, market first should return it back down and hit this target. So this setup is preliminary reversal, too early reversal up before reaching of the target, creates the chance for trading with a high probability that market will continue move lower and hit this target. It means that we need to use some rally to sell into, with the objective point somewhere around 108, 108.10, right at the completion point of this ABCD. But what rally we could use? For that purpose we could take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. Another 4-hour time frame chart. You could see that most recent rally down, this drop, is not really bad thrust and could be used for the Jod Napoli trading. So that could be set up for the double repo pattern or bread and butter sell. Personally, I prefer to get the bread and butter because appearing of the reversal pattern in such circumstances that we have, it's not quite logical, and this pattern could fail and it will be not really reliable here. But from another point of view, if even market will form the double repo here and will reach the target as the 50% resistance, this rally also could be used for taking the short position. But bread and butter is more preferable in these circumstances. If we would suggest that market will create the bread and butter, so we could take short position somewhere around 109.90 area, taking the short, but used the target not as the minimal target of the bread and butter somewhere in this area, but we could use the destination point right here. It's 108. So that will be really not bad trading range. It's approximately almost 200 points. So really not small. And all that we need right now is just to wait for bounce up. Preferably if it will be the brand buy the sell. But if market will form the double repo and show the deeper retracement of 50%, 110.30, that also could be used for a possible taking the short position and moving down to the completion point of that ABCD. That probably, guys, the only setup that we see right now that's relatively clear and could be used for trading. Right now in the markets, the interesting setup is forming right now on the Japanese yen, so we can see that market has turned to the rally again. That's the upward action that we have expected to get almost a month ago. We talked about it, but even have despaired to get it. So market so long stands flat, and in such circumstances we already started to think that, well, someday it will happen, but where and how it will happen is very difficult to say. And right now you can see Japanese yen has rallied yesterday and finally reestablished this upward final leg of the upward action that we expected to get. So let's see what will happen on the Japanese yen as well. Maybe it will create some interesting opportunities for trading. Meantime, we have not bad setup really on the euro currency. It's not really tremendous and not really a big scale setup, but it's relatively fast and clear. So maybe somebody of you will be interested with it.